we see within the confines of WebEx is an increase in user engagement. So the same user is using WebEx a lot more. And we wonder why. And we're seeing basically cross-time zone meetings go up. And team collaboration, as we know it, is no longer across the table. It's actually across time zones, across geographies, across language boundaries. So you're seeing that happen. And the power of team collaboration is not just bringing people together, it's the data inherent within. The conversation becomes the new currency, it's the new frontier. And you can do a whole bunch of analytics on that. You can provide information on that. You can basically bring what I would call uninterrupted work streams in the midst, which is, how do you take a conversation, take a set of action items out of it, and basically take it all the way so that there is automation, there is least amount of transmission loss in a sense. So that's what's causing this industry to wake up, because it's a productivity gain in knowledge worker population.
Yeah, so basically the three areas of attack, first off, Cisco acquired Voicea, they acquired MindMeld, they acquired a company. So over $500 million in acquisitions over the past 18 months, precisely to bring AI to collaboration. But we also partner with Google. We announced the Google CCAI partnership because we wanted best of breed and proprietary to attack one problem. Get to customer resolution faster in the way that customer wants to interact. So if they want to interact kind of in an automated fashion, make that better, sometimes that's not going to work. And the last thing I want to hear is agent, 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 right? So we want to do is detect something's not going to work, and early on say, transferring you to human. Take all the context of the interaction they had, give it to the human, and then suggest to the human, hey, we think you should tell them that that feature's for free. Get to a customer resolution faster. I see this as a 5-year journey.
HyperFlex application platform.
Okay.
So if we look at let me just put these two in context. Every enterprise is doing two things. It's trying to run application that it already hosts, and then it's writing some bespoke new applications. So the first announcement, the Cisco Intersight Workload Optimizer and the integration with AppD, that helps us be more performant for applications we're running, to help troubleshoot faster, to help reduce cost in a multi-cloud environment. The second announcement, Dave, the HyperFlex application platform, is really targeted towards developers who are writing new applications on a container platform. And for those developers, IT needs to give them a simple, appliance-like, easy-to-use container as a service platform. So what HXAP, HyperFlex Application Platform is a container as a service platform driven from the cloud, so the developer gets the same experience that they get when they go to an AWS and request a pod, but they get it on-prem, and it's fully 100% upstream Kubernetes compliant. It's curated by us, so it's a very simple appliance-like feel for development environments on containers. Okay.
No, thank you. Yes, I mean, we are very excited also to announce some of the new integrations that we have with our ecosystem partners. And for example, AlgoSec and ACI integration, Terraform from HashiCorp and ACI integration, continued expansion with our Splunk apps with the ecosystem. So these are some of the new things that we are working on. So that is excellent. And on top of it, Thomas, you can expand on it, but I think we are very happy that our 400 gig portfolio is shipping now, and we have customers in production on our 400 gig portfolio. So that is great news for us.
Yeah, John, it's funny, I heard you talking about the 10 years and everything. 10 years ago, if I thought about Cisco, I'd be looking at the eye pattern of getting the jitter out of the network and trying to tweak everything. And today, what are we talking about with Cisco? We're talking about software, we're talking about cloud, we're talking about developers. Yeah, they're a networking company at its core, but Cisco has been going through a significant transformation. It's been an interesting one to watch. Dave, you wrote a little bit about, Cisco is one of the 4 horsemen of the internet era. Of course, the .com, they were one of the ones that actually survived.